This quick video is about how to turn off Google Photos automatically backup and sync on iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open Photos app, then click here. And if you have multiple accounts, you can switch here. Then click on Google Photos settings. Now tap on Backup and Sync. Yes, here you can see Auto Backup and Sync toggle button was turned on. Just touch and turn off that. That's it. After this, Google Photos will not automatically back up your new photos and videos. And if you want to backup, just come here and turn on this toggle button manually. And if you want to know more tips and tricks, quick videos about Google Photos app, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps, means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.